next topic, that is estimation. So what is meant by estimation? Estimation gives us the approximate values of answer. It will use us the approximate value of an answer. Okay, it is not gives us the exact answer, but it will use the closest answer. Okay, suppose आपने एक बर्थडे पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करी है और लगभग 190 पीपल आए, 190 पीपल, सो आप क्या बोलते हो? लगभग 200 लोग थे, राइट? एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, उसने एक रैली ऑर्गेनाइज करी है, 4800 और कुछ पीपल है, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? अरे लगभग 5000 लोग थे, पेपर में से 5000 लोग रैली में शामिल हुए, राइट? दैट इज नथिंग बट एस्टिमेशन which will give us the approximate value, not an exact value. Okay, so what is the value of, what is the use of estimation? In mathematics, estimation plays the important role to find whether our answer is correct or not. Our answer correct or not. Our answer is correct or not. Okay, it will use us whether our answer is correct or not. So let's see how to find out. In previous classes we have studied the round off. Okay, now let's see 67 to nearest 10. Let's check first round off procedure. 67 to nearest 10. So let's draw the number line first. Here is somewhat 60, here is 70. In between, in the mid, there is 65. Now 67 lies on the right side. Here must be 67. Now tell me, number 67 is close to 60 or close to 70? It is close to 70. Obvious, from the number line you can say 67 is close to 70. So you can say that the nearest 10 to 67 is 70. Nearest 10 to 67 is 70. Right? Let's see another example. 43 to nearest 10. 43 to nearest 10. Here is 40. Here is 50. Here is 45. And 43 must be this side. So now tell me, 43 is closest to 50 or closest to 40? See the distance. Obviously you can say that 43 is closest to 40. So you can say that 40 is the nearest 10 to 43. Now let's take nearest 100. Nearest 100. 683 to nearest 100. To nearest 100. Nearest 100. 670. Write down the number line. Here is 700. Here is 600. In between 650. So 683 lies on this side. Approximately this here. So now tell me, 683 is closest to 700 or closest to 600? From the figure, it is closest to 700. From this you can say that 700 is nearest 100 to this. Okay. Now see the last example. Nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. 200. 2874. Right. This is 2000. This is 3000. 2500. Now this digit must be here. So from figure, 2000 is closest to this or 3000 is closest? 3000 is closest. That is the procedure of round up. Okay. Now we will see what is estimation. Now I like to mention one point. There is a no rigid procedure to find out estimation. In many books, slightly difference between them, but there is a no rigid procedure. It always gives you the approximate answer, not an exact answer. Okay. Now see, if you want out nearest 10. Nearest 10. Nearest 10. Now I want to mention two examples, 61 ones, tens, hundred, and this is thousand, hundred, tens, ones. Okay, and you have to round up to tens. You have to round up the tens. Which is the tens place? 6. Here is 6. Now see the first example. You have to see the next digit. You have to see the next digit. What is the next digit? 1. If the next digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, make it a 0. If next digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, so make it a 0. First digit as it is. So you can say that 60 is nearest 10 to 61. 60 is nearest 10 to 61. Now you have to find out nearest 10 of this. 10 को mark करो 10 place में. Now next digit is, if the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what you have to do? You have to make this digit as a 0 and increase the tens place by 1. Increase the tens place by 1. So make it a 7. So you can say that 70 is the nearest 10 to 68. Right? सिंपल सी प्रोसीजर है. आपको क्या करना है? नियरेस्ट 10 बोला है, तो 10 प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करो. राइट? आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. उसके बाद का डिजिट देखो, उसके राइट साइड में कौन सा डिजिट है. अगर राइट साइड वाला डिजिट 1, 2, 3, 4 है तो आपको उसको 0 करना है और 10 प्लेस का डिजिट एज इट इज रखना है. एज इट इज रखना है. नेक्स्ट अगर आपका 10 प्लेस के राइट साइड का डिजिट 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 है तो आपको उसको 0 करना है और 10 प्लेस को क्या करना है? इंक्रीज बाय 1. इंक्रीज बाय 1. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल टू क्लियरिफाई योर डाउट्स. 48, 43. फाइंड आउट नियरेस्ट 10. नियरेस्ट 10 पे कौन सा वैल्यू है? 4. सो मार्क इट दिस. नेक्स्ट डिजिट इज 8. नेक्स्ट डिजिट 8. So make it a 0 and increase the value by 1. 4 becomes 5. So 50 is nearest 10 to 48. Next, this is tens place, right? यहाँ पे क्या डिजिट है? 1, 2, 3, 4 है. उनमें से एक है. So make it a 0. उनमें a 0. So it will become 40. So 40 is nearest 10 to 43. Right? Now let's check nearest 100. Same procedure you have to follow. Nearest 100. Nearest 100, 0, tens, 100 and 1000. These are the place value. Please remember. I hope you already know this. Nearest 100, 6, 8, 7, 6, 1, 5. Now you have to find out nearest 100. Nearest 100. So this is at ones place. This is at tens place. This is at 100 place. So mark is here, ones, tens, 100. Now same procedure. If the digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, all digits should be 0, 0 and place 100 digit as it is. Here also, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so you have to make it 0, 0 and increase the value by 1. Okay. 8. So all right side digits should be 0, 0 and 8 is there. So increase the value by 1. So 6 become 7. So you can say that 700 is nearest 100 to 687. 615, make it a 0, 0. 1 is there, so no need to increase. Keep the 100 place as it is. So it will become 615. Okay. Let's see one more example. 4, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1. 100 place, mark the 100 place. Next digit is 7, make it a 0, 0. 7 है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to increase by 1, so it will become 5. 500 is nearest 100. 4 to 1, make it a 0, 0. Next digit is 2, means 1, 2, 3, 4 होगा क्या होगा? As it is written. So it will become 400. This is the nearest 100. Okay. Now last 1000, nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Same procedure you have to follow. Take an example. 3, 1, 6, 7, 3913. Okay. Now you have to find out the nearest thousand value. Nearest thousand value. Which is at thousand place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 3 at thousand place. Here is 3 at thousand place. See the next digit. All other sums should be 0, 0, 0. See the next digit is 1. So no need to increase that. Make it as it is 3000. Here all digits should be 0, 0, 0. Here is 9. Already I told you 5, 6, 7, 8. अगर है 9 है तो आपको क्या करना है? एक से डिजिट की वैल्यू बनानी है. Will become 4000. Simply remember the rules. Nearest 10 बोला है तो आपको 10 पे मार्क करके वंस देखना है. Nearest 100 बोला है तो 100 पे मार्क करके टेंस की वैल्यू चेक करनी है. Nearest 1000 बोला है तो आपको 1000 पे मार्क करके 100 की वैल्यू देखनी है. Okay? See one more example of this. 5, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1. Nearest 1000. 1000 is 5 is at 1000 place. See the next digit. Make it 0, 0, 0. 8 है तो increase the value by 1. It will become 6000. Sorry. Yes, 6000. Here next digit is 3. Make it a 0, 0. No need to increase. It will become 5000. Okay? Right? Hope you understand the estimation question. Estimation means it will give the approximate value, not an exact answer. Okay? There are no certain rules, but they are given in the books. There must be difference in some books. So you have to remember this. If you want to find out nearest 1000, you have to check the 100 place value. And that 100 place value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to round down. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to go round up. Hope you understand the estimation topic. Thank you.